Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you an enhancement that was suggested by a friend of mine to this system that I use in trading, especially for people who are visual like me and people maybe who are looking for more confirmations. That's what he said. He said that the system is good. Basically, we are looking for key levels and we are looking to take trades off those key levels. But sometimes you don't know whether in this situation whether you should go up or whether you should go down or whether you should wait. That's his words. So sometimes he's not sure whether he should be going down or whether he should be going up. And he said, so he decided to find something that can filter out trades and maybe give him an indication of what might be happening. And he said maybe he will show me. So he showed me, and well, I thought let me just come and give it to you. Obviously, when I find new things, I don't keep them to myself. That's what I do. That's the purpose of this channel, so that I help you figure out this thing. So if it's going to make your life better or simpler, then I'll definitely try and share it with you. By the way, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you don't miss any future videos. Like the video. If you don't learn one or two things in this video, you are definitely going to have some good entertainment. So the least that you can do for me is to just like the video. Otherwise, if you need to download this filter as well as any other indicators that people are selling out there, the robots, the books, and stuff like that, the links are in the description box below. Visit those links and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. The broker that I use, maybe you want to trade with me, you would basically want to be looking at some chart, some candles, and everything. The link is in the description box below. You go ahead and you sign up with them. For $5, you can basically open a real life trading account, which you can use for testing robots, strategies, indicators like this, and see if they work. If it works, then obviously you can add more money to your account. People love demo, but I'm not big on demo. I love to test my things when real money is on the line. Okay. So let's go on with our video. You will decide whether you want to use this indicator or if you don't. Of course, I don't like using too many indicators. I don't like indicators, but that does not mean indicators do not work. Indicators are based on some good formulas most of the time. Most of the time, they are based on some good mathematical formulas. So sometimes, given the right situation, they actually do work. But people try also to use them for the wrong things. Sometimes, people try to use an indicator to predict the market, which does not happen. The mathematical formula only works with previous data and things like that. So it's good that I just mentioned that. So in the link in the description box below, we are going to find this indicator that my friend suggested to me. I've just loaded it on my chart myself. So this is the indicator. It's ultimate trend following bars. So we're just going to go colors and we'll leave that and allow DLL imports like that. If you don't know how to add indicators to your charts, I think I have a video on this channel. I don't know. Just look for that video. So this is what it does. This is what it does. Let's take it off. Let's take it off so that you can see what it does. Let's remove it and let's bring it in again. And I've not yet touched anything. I've not touched anything. I've not changed anything yet. This is default settings. That's what it does to your charts. So for people who might be struggling with filtering out stuff, or not sure whether it's time to get in, to buy or to sell, this is GBP USD, by the way, on the 4 hourly time frame. Let's just zoom out a bit. So you can see most of the time it was just red, it was just falling. So if you happen to be following this combined with my system, you can download this system. The video is also on this channel for people who are looking for this system, as well as the settings. The video is on this channel, so you can go ahead and watch that video and download everything for free. Everything is for free on this channel. Everything that we do is for free. And this system, it's mine. It's what I use to trade every day. So this, when you add that indicator, this is what you then get. Of course, you can go in here and you can basically maybe play around with the settings. For example, it says RSI period there. I believe it's based on the RSI period. That's what I believe. And we just say, okay, let's see if anything happens. So this is 4 hourly time frame. It would have been a good buy somewhere there. Maybe let's drop down to the 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart, that's our 1 hour chart. So definitely you could have entered early, but obviously there's a danger that sometimes you would enter in early and then you probably need to watch your trades. But if you happen to get a signal coming from the bottom, because that's how we trade, from the support, and this happens, then definitely we are in for something. I usually don't take trades in this middle area unless I've got a valid reason to be doing that. I don't usually take trades in middle area. I wait for price to touch my zone. From obviously from here, what I'll be looking at is continuation of this, or if it does that, then you obviously then think, well, you are probably in a sell. So this indicator apparently is based on RSI, and again, if we go in there, I don't think you want to touch this, because sometimes I think I noticed that if you do anything to them, uh, then the indicator does not work for some reason. For some reason, I don't know. So if we go back in there and we edit it, we return it to 50. I'm not hiding anything. Sorry about that. Still early in the morning, and where I am, it's so cold and raining. So I apologize for that. Okay, so our indicator is now back. So hopefully you can find success using this filter. My friend says it's working well for him. Me, I'd been used to just looking at my plain charts, so I wasn't really looking for something like this. But I just thought, let me bring it to you guys in case somebody is also facing the same problem, and then maybe you can try and use this filter as well. You can see on the daily there, you could have just maybe sold there and just let it run, just let it run. So hopefully this filter helps you. If you don't find any help from it, unfortunately, I'll continue finding your stuff that you probably can use if you are struggling with my system. Me, I've been experienced with my system without this filter, so I'm not so sure if I really need it. But anyway, guys, uh, the link again to download this thing is in the description box below. As if you want to download my system, this is my system. The video is on this channel, as well as the settings. I show you everything. I don't hide anything. Everything that we do on this channel is for free. So if you also have any other indicator that you are using to filter out the trades on this, you can suggest them in the comment section below, and I'll definitely look at them and also share with everyone. Guys, subscribe, like the video. I'll definitely see you in the next one. Bye.